1, 2, 3, 4. Of human bondage, this man could tell a tale. In chains to someone who was like a vapor train. He longed to tell her, but the words were never near. A fortress built of longing she would never hear. Don't break your lip lock, keep your words where they belong. If they're unspoken, they can never do you wrong. Lips locked in passion cannot help but be discreet. Don't break your lip lock and our hearts will never meet. Adoring passion, such an easy thing to show. But when you name it, there is nothing left to know.